Here you go.
Hi and good morning to everyone. Today we from Group C will reflect on issues and songs that we have chosen on previous video 2 until video 5. Before we explain more about the issues and songs that we already chose, we would like to introduce ourselves one by one. My name is Nur Fatih binti Zuhaizat and my metric number is J46202. So as you can see, this is my group mate and they will introduce themselves as well. Let's start our introduction with Rafida first.
Hi, my name is Nur Rafida binti Abdul Rahman and my metric number is J46202.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ikmal Zamri. My metric number is K46198.
Hi, my name is Nur Aiman Hanani binti Ramli and my metric number is J46200.
Hi, my name is Bibi Marliana binti Mahsin and my metric number is J46223.
Thank you everyone. So today we will reflect on the issue and songs that we already chose before. On video 2, we choose the environment issue with the song Heal the World by Michael Jackson. And we choose the mental health issue with song Because of You by Kelly Clarkson on video 3. We also choose Was for Nothing by Boogie for What issue on video 4. And for the latest video, which is video 5, we choose social issue with the song Where is the Love by Black Eyed Peas. So today we would like to reflect the issue and songs. Let's start our discussion with you first. What can you reflect on the previous video that already done before?
Okay, Fatia, thank you. What I understand about the whole thing in the video that has been comment on before this. Firstly, video 2, environment issue, Heal the World by Michael Jackson. It's about healing the world where there's no longer been suffering, war, and fear. Second, video 3, mental health issue, It's Because of You by Kelly Clarkson. This issue is very well known and often occurs. This song is show us does not matter what problem is going on inside. We must set a positive perspectives and try to break a bad cycle. And then for video 4, war issues, Work for Nothing by Boogie is the way to solve the problem is make discussions. Lastly, for video 5, social issue, Where is the Love by Black Eyed Peas? This issue is normal in work. Love should not be related to race, religion, and country to be expanded. That's all from me. Thank you. How about you, Bibi Marlena?
Thank you, Rafida. Okay, what can I conclude about the issues and songs that we have discussed before this? The issues are related to our thoughts, perception, feelings, and also our behaviors. The first thing about mental health issues that I can conclude is that it happens in our life nowadays, especially when it comes to this pandemic. This issue make it difficult for someone to cope with work, relationship, and other demands. Secondly, the environment health issue song were to survey to determine their outlook on key environmental issues related to the world. Learning about environmental perceptions was important as it concerned that this development may result in loss of quality. Thirdly, about the war issue song, which is no climate change, pollution, poverty, hunger, and disease. I think there is no solution for this issue if we look at that what had happened nowadays. And lastly, about the social issues song, and what I can conclude is it is a serious problem that influences many citizens in a society. It is a common problem that many people strive to solve it. That's all about my opinion. What about you, Ikmar?
Thank you, Bibi Marliana. What can I conclude from the song that we choose on video 2, Heal the World by Michael Jackson? I think the message from this song is that we need to consider others' lives which are in great danger of people in poverty around the world. It shows how powerful one gesture of kindness really is and how someone can change the world and make it an enjoyable and loving place for everyone across the world. Next, for the song that we choose on video 3 because of feedback by Gatson, the message from this song is about someone who comes from a broken family and worried about her parents' divorce. It shows the effect divorce has on children that can lead to mental health issues like depression and anxiety. For the song that we choose on video 4, Walls for Nothing by Boogie, the message is that we should treat each other equally and stop discrimination. We should have and do unity to have a better place, a better world. We should stop all the wars, the killings, bombing acts, everything that makes the world want. And lastly, for the song on video 5, the song is about lack of world in the world, especially in a social issue, and how everybody is causing madness. I think the point of the song is to make people realize that we should be spreading love with no hate and stop discriminating each other that can causing world badly. This song are expressing all issues and saying it in meaningful and emotive way to get listeners to understand this major problem. So how about you, Hanani?
Okay, thank you, Imba. Okay, the conclusion about environment issue is sustainability is the key to prevent or reduce the effect of environmental issue. There is now clear scientific evidence that humanity is living unsustainably and that an unprecedented collective effort is needed to return human use of natural resources to within sustainability limits. And secondly, mental health issue includes our emotional, physical, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and there are many different things that you can do to improve your mental health, such as staying positive, practicing gratitude, connecting with others, meditation, and so on. And so on. It is also important to recognize when you need to get help, talk to therapy, or medicine that can treat your mental disorder. Thirdly, about social issue. A social issue is a problem that influences many citizens within a society. It's a common problem in present day society and one of that many people strive to solve. It's often the consequence of factors extending beyond individual control. Social issues are the source of conflicting opinion on the ground of what is or what is perceived as morally correct or incorrect personal life or interpersonal social life decision. And the last one is war issue. War is an intense armed conflict between states, governments, society, or paramilitary groups such as mercenary, insurgents, and militaries. It is generally characterized by extreme violence, aggression, destruction, and mortality using regular or irregular military forces. And when it happens, it destroys pieces and people. So we have to protect our country from all of the things happen. So how about you, Fatia?
Thank you, Hanani. What I know about environment issue is environmental issue are defined as problems with the planet system such as air, water, and soil which have developed as a result of human interference or mistreatment of the planet. And the song that we choose is Heal the World by Michael Jackson. And in my opinion, the song conveys a meaningful message because it teaches us to make the world a better place for the children because they are the future. And the song teaches us to be more considerate of others who are less fortunate in the world. They consider others' life. Next, what I know about mental health issue is mental illness is a general term for a group of illness that may include symptoms that can affect a person's thinking, perception, mood, or behavior. And the song that we chose is Because of You by Kelly Clarkson. And in my opinion, this song delivers such as meaningful message because the song explores the pains of a children who experience and dealing with the issue of their parents' divorce and how the divorce can affect emotions children and lead to depression. The next issue is about war issue. What I know about war issue is war subverts democracy and promotes tyranny and fanatism, kill and sicken and impoverish people and ravage nature. The song that we already choose is Was for Nothing by Boogie, and in my opinion, this song critiques what happened in the war. This song delivers a very meaningful message because it talks about peace and inner fights and our ability to face our faults and take responsibility for our actions. The last issue that we have discussed is social issue. What I know about social issue is a social problem is any condition or behavior that has negative consequence for a large number of people, and that is generally recognized as a condition or behavior that needs to be addressed. And the song that we choose is Where is the Love by the IPs. And I think this song reminds us to stop discriminating each other because everyone have a right to live a happy life. So what issue and songs are outstanding and touch your heart for us to choose, and why you think like that? Can you share your opinion, Ikma?
Thank you, Fatia. I think I choose Because of You by Kelly Clarkson. The reason why I choose this song is because this song was that promoted police situation with mental health issue. Every children may suffer emotionally from negative implications of the divorce by their parents. It also made them continue being overprotective of themselves just to avoid feeling hurt by someone else. This song possibly helping people who were dealing with the same issue to get a new hope, build a better life, stay positive, and make them happy from any mental health issue. So how about you, Bibi Mariana?
Okay, thank you, Ikmar. So based on the 4 issues that we have discussed, I choose to conclude about mental health issues, which is, I think, the biggest issue that we can see always happen, which is refers to a wide range of mental conditions. Many people have mental health concerns from time to time. So as we can listen to the song of Because of You by Kelly Clarkson, it is obviously a story about mental illness that make her life miserable, especially in her real life relationship. So that's all about my opinion. What about you, Fida?
Thank you, Bibi Mariana. I think I agree with you. Bibi Mariana's song, Because of You by Kelly Clarkson, because of good lyric and related with mental health issue. We must do strong and try to solve also facing the problem. That's all from me. How about you, Fatia?
Thank you, Rafida. I agree to 3 of you. I think we need to expose more about mental health issue. This is because in 2020, mental illness is expected to be the second biggest health problem affecting Malaysians after heart disease. According to the latest National Health and Morbidity Survey, every 3 in 10 adults aged 16 years and above in Malaysia suffer from some form of mental health issue. Like I said just now, Because of You by Kelly Clarkson, it's about the pain of a children who experience the depression because of their parents' divorce. I think that mental health issue can affect the children because 70% of children and young people who experience a mental health problem have not had appropriate interventions at sufficiently early age. The emotional well-being of children is just as important as their physical health. A good mental health allows children and young people to develop the resilience to cope with whatever life throws at them and grow into well-rounded and healthy adults. So do you agree with us, Hanani?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Fatia. I agree with all of you about mental health issue because there are a lot of people out there who struggle with their own mental health. So as a human, we should help them to solve their problem and find the best solution to recover. And I think I agree with all of you too about song Because of You by Kelly Clarkson, which is the meaning of the song is written about emotional caused by the singer parent was divorced. The lyric tells us that the pain of Clarkson deteriorated relationship with her father and is the most depressing song she has written. So it can relate with our mental health issue. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. So I think everyone agree with the issue and song that Ikma suggests just now. So we choose mental health issue with the song Because of You by Kelly Clarkson that stand out more than other issues and songs. Thank you, everyone, for your time and cooperation. Thank you to Ms. Bharati Vikosley as well. Thank you and bye.
Bye.
You.